National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in north central Illinois, western Winnebago County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:03 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near NR2 near Sheffield, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. This line of storms does have a history of producing sporadic wind damage in northwest Illinois. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Dixon, Oregon, Mount Morris, Walden, Byron, Winnebago, Amboy, Polo, Pecatonica, Foreston, Durand, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lake Somerset, Sublette, Leaf River, Nelson, and Harmon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double header!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located near Nora, or 19 miles northwest of Freeport, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Albany, Browntown, Jordan Center, and Judah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following county: Rock, Wisconsin. Thunderstorm.